Hi all, I am Priyanka Shah. Hope you are liking these videos. If you are liking these videos, don't forget to subscribe to YouTube channel. And if you like today's video, like, subscribe and share with your friends. Today we are going to see shoulder stretches. Shoulder stretches that can be done at your sitting place, wherever you are sitting, at your workplace or sofa, wherever you want. So let's begin. We'll be starting with shoulder squeezes first. So this is very simple. Just sit relaxed, and what you are going to do is you are going to squeeze your shoulder blades in. So basically it will open your, so basically what you are doing is you are squeezing your shoulder blades in. So you are feeling it like that. They are closed and it is opening your shoulder chest. Okay, so once you have done, we'll be repeating it. Okay, just relax. You'll feel that tension. You can do as many repetitions as you want. So what I am doing, let's do maybe 5 or 10. Okay, once this is done, second is similar type, just with a variation. So what we are going to do is we are again going to squeeze shoulder blades in, and then we are moving shoulders up and then moving it down. So basically if you do it like faster, you will feel that you are shrugging it off. Okay, so what you are doing, you are taking your shoulder blades in and then you are moving your shoulder muscles up and then you are taking them down. Okay, we'll do them 5 times maybe. Okay, you'll be feeling that stretch. Once, up and down. Okay, in, up and down, in, up and down, in, up and down. Okay, then we'll be doing just the circular one, the easy one. So what I'm going to do is I'm just rotating my shoulders. I can do this from forward to backward and then maybe from backward to forward. You can do it anytime. Okay, we are going to do shoulder stretches from side. Okay, so what I have done is I have pulled my left arm towards right. So basically what I am doing is I am pulling my shoulder, this is the left one, left shoulder towards right, and I am holding it with my right hand. So this gives me some kind of stretch here. This is better one if I have actually not done it, not pulled it with this hand. So this is giving different one. Similarly I'll be doing this for my right one. Okay, let's do that couple of times more. So this is left, then I'm going to do the right. Okay, this will also help if you have frozen shoulder. You can do this as many times as you want. We'll do it maybe 5 times. Okay, once we have done it side by side, we'll be doing it upwards. So I'll start with right. So what I am doing is basically I am moving it up and I am taking it from right hand side. Okay, so I'm feeling that stretch in my shoulder back muscles. Okay, I'm keeping it for 5 seconds, then I'm doing it for the right one. You can do this as well. What I am doing now is I have pulled in my shoulder muscles up and then I am pulling my elbow as well with the left hand. So this is giving a bit more stretch here. Okay, so you can do this for right and left. Let's do it a couple of more times. So this will give you kind of no relaxation. Okay, we'll do it once again. Actually this reminds me, there is one kind of yoga pose as well, which is just like this. I'll show you that. something. So what you are doing is you are just taking your hands like this, and your left hand is here, and you are going to touch it. So who are doing it regularly, this is like this, and from back you are touching your hands like this, and you can actually hold them. If you are just a beginner, you might not be able to touch. In that case, you can have just scarf or hanky or anything, and just you can touch it. Relax, smile. So that is one thing. If you are doing these simple stretches maybe couple of times, you will feel the relaxation. So if you are like me, maybe you have habit of doing spas or massages regularly, because of this current COVID-19 situation, all the salons and the lockdown, salons are closed, so you cannot do it. You can go outside, so you can do these at home, and you'll feel some kind of relaxation. We'll do it one more time. Again, one side is easy for everybody and one side is difficult. Okay. Left is a bit difficult for me. Okay, and in the end, we'll just do the simple one, the rotation one. So just rotate your shoulders. We had done it in the beginning as well, but we had not taken the hands of arm, held the of arms. Okay, I'm just rotating it. This one is very easy. So I'm feeling that tension here. Okay. Do it as many times as you want. Okay, and I guess that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching, and if you have not already subscribed to the YouTube channel, please subscribe. Follow us on Facebook page as well, and if you like the video, like, share and comment. Thank you. Stay fit, stay healthy.